everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this curly updo. So to get started we are going to put in some spray wax. Now you can use any brand you want, but this part is very important to get that textured look, especially if you have really silky hair like I do. But when you spray on this wax, make sure you're getting it all throughout. You don't want to just spray it on the top of your hair. You got to make sure you work it through the ends, you get it underneath, get it everywhere in order for it to actually do its job. And once you get that spray wax all worked in, we're going to take a small section on the top and tie it off and pull out a couple pieces to make it a little bit piecier, but we do this to create a little bit of volume on top without teasing and creating a large section. And then we are going to part the hair just above the ears, and we're going to create the first ponytail, and we're going to do the same thing on the sides. We're just going to use our fingers just to pull it up a little bit, make it a little bit piecey, and then we're going to flip that ponytail up and out of the way, and we're going to create another ponytail just below it. Once this is done, we're going to take those little sections of ponytail and we're just going to kind of curl them around our fingers and then take a bobby pin and pin it in place. This is just to create a little bit of body and start the shape of the hairstyle. And we're just going to go all the way around, starting with the ponytail on the bottom. Just keep pinning pieces and nice little, almost like pin curls, but not quite as tight. You're going to let a little bit of pieces hang down. We'll curl those later. And once you get towards the top, you're going to want to start curl these pieces a little bit more forward in order to get them to stay. And then say hi to your puppy real quick when he jumps up in your lap. And then we're going to grab our curling iron and we're just going to gently curl all those pieces hanging down. Now you could curl before you do all this, but you'll still likely have to go back through and recurl a few pieces. So whichever method you prefer. And there is the finished look before we put in the headbands. Now once we do grab our nice little metal headbands, we're going to be very gentle when we're sliding these in. And then just spritz with a little bit more hairspray to try to get it to hold. And there you have the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you and have a nice day.